How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing hand grip training. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So we will be using the 200 pounds of resistance hand grip. Now I've done some videos where we've done the 200, 5 reps, 10 reps. I've done a video with the 150s. I want to do some negative training. Negative training is when you kind of close the hand grips up with both hands, and then you try to hold on for as long as possible. So we're gonna hold on for 10, we'll try to hold on for 10 seconds. We'll do 10-second negatives. And yeah, let's get started. So I'll show you what I mean. I actually don't need two hands to close it. I can close it with one hand, but we're gonna hold for 10 seconds. That's it. Now, you guys may think this is super easy. It's pretty tough. It puts a ton of pressure on your forearms. Very tough exercise to do. We're only using 200s, but because of that duration, that 10 seconds, it gets pretty tough to do. Trust me. 200s, not that hard to close. I can close in for 20 reps pretty easy. But yeah, to hold it for 10 seconds, a little bit tough. That's why we're doing it. Video will be 5 minutes long, a little bit over 5 minutes long, and we'll get in 5 sets. Let's do it again. This time I'm going to use both hands to close it, and then we're going to hold. And you guys can kind of see it's kind of slipping a little bit out of my hand. That is normal. Yeah, this is my 8th video today. Sorry, 7th video today. I have 2 more videos to make for the day and I'm done. I'm pretty excited, pretty motivated, pretty unmotivated today to say the least. So I'm happy that I got in these videos. Yeah, just killing it, you guys. Maybe a little bit later I'll get some more videos in, but I'm kind of feeling just do these 9 and then take a little bit of a break. So let's do it again. And then hold. And again, if you don't think this is very tough to do, you guys. Just because of the duration, like holding it for 10 seconds, very tough to do. To be honest, doing the 250s would probably be a more of a workout for me. This is challenging, but it's not intense enough in my opinion. I feel like the 250s would be a little bit better. The 300. Doing this with the 300s would be really tough. I don't think I could do it for 10 seconds. That would be very tough. Because again, you're squeezing, you're making sure that that thing does not move for 10 seconds. So you're putting all your pressure, all your intensity into doing that. So definitely a little tricky to do, but I mean, we're getting it. So let's do it again. So, and we just hold it. Just like that. Woo! One more set and then we're done. One good thing about making all these videos that I make is that I'm getting really, really jacked and lean from doing them. Like I do 2 ab videos a day. I'm doing 2 Kegel videos per day, helping my Kegel muscles. I'm doing a push-up video. I'm doing basically 3 forearm videos. I'm getting, like my forearms are really starting to develop. My abs are getting really crisp and my push-ups, helping my chest, helping my triceps. Overall, it's crazy. One more set, we're done. So we'll get it, and then we'll hold. That's it. Whew. Pretty tough to do, my friends. Pretty tough. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate the support. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram at Dylanberg999. Thank you.